So here's the test run, all going well. I've done about 20 miles. What do we sound like in here? Reasonable. Thought he was just going to keep going then. Scary moment. So yeah, done about 20 miles, only on the dual carriageway, meant to be meeting up with the brother of a lovely lady called Marie. At Grimbridges, where I need to get a seal kit for the front end of Mediocre, my GS1000 project bike, which has got a leaky right hand fork, so that needs doing. So not only is it test run, it's a parts run, a social visit, it's a lot of things. And the cables in the new drives didn't sort out the clocks. Still wiggling all over the place. Oh well. It's better to know near enough rather than not at all, isn't it? Is that the theory? That'll do, won't it? Absolutely. But yeah, it's all going really well. I didn't bother with the mirrors. Why didn't I bother with the mirrors? I couldn't be bothered. I couldn't be bothered with the mirrors. So do you know what? I didn't bother with the mirrors. What are you doing? What are you doing? Who cares? One of the bonuses is not having mirrors. I don't have to watch his ridiculousness. But I've got to get a little bit of a lick on, because Grimbridge is shut at 5. Although buddy boy Stuart will probably get them for me if I don't turn up in time, but that is the meeting place at Grimbridges. Quite liking the exhaust. It's got a good note to it, but it's not loud enough to annoy people, which means I'll be alright starting up in the mornings and going to work. Hopefully. Well, who cares? It's only the neighbours, isn't it? It's only if your old woman complains that you got to worry. Then you're in fucking trouble. Then you're definitely in trouble. Yeah, ticking over alright, going alright. No strange noises. Which I'm thankful for. When I started up in the shed the other day, there was a knocking. That That was a little bit unnerving. That was a lot unnerving, actually. Oh, slow down. Getting too excited. 50 and a 30. 50 and a 30. If only. Yeah, that was very unnerving the other day with the knocking coming from the engine. Didn't like it. But it was either something knocking on the actual lift table, or the engine was a little bit dry for a moment. So I'll slack out that clutch, I think. Yeah, it's got a nice little drone to it. Which is quite nice, but yes, everything running quite smooth. Can't see any leaks. I've got oil on my boot, which means that gasket definitely needs doing, and it's very wet, so I best check the oil when I get to Grumbridge's and stop. The other side seems alright. Interested to know whether the oil leak out of the rev counter is going to be cured. And again, I'll have a look at that when I get there, and have a look at all the nuts and bolts that I've been touching. But that'll do for now, won't it? There's your update. It's all running well, as long as I'm not losing too much oil. Oh, old bikes and they're throwing oil out. Marvellous. Anyway, that's enough, innit? Nice little short video for you. Well, I don't know whether it was nice. That'll be your opinion and not a fact. Catch you in the next one. Ta-ra.